morning! Thanks for dropping by. Welcome to the first video of Everyday Noms. Today, I'll share with you my food story on how I get to where I am right now. This recipe I'm sharing is ridiculously simple. Recipe and steps are on screen as it progresses. So, let's start from the beginning. I grew up in Singapore with what is considered a large family now. 2 younger sisters, mom, dad, cousin, and both my grandparents. Food has always been a homey thing to me. We ate together a lot. My aunts, uncles, and cousins would come for dinner almost every day. I was never a skinny kid, but I wasn't that big either. Pretty normal, but when I was in secondary school, I was sent to the Tough Club, or Trim and Fit Club. It was also known to the kids as the Fat Club. As much as it was slightly embarrassing, I enjoyed my time there as I was introduced to para dancing, but that's another story for another time. During my late teens, I decided to go vegetarian cold turkey one day and basically kept that up for about 10 years. In one of those years, I went full vegan. I thought I was fine being vegetarian, though I still could not donate my blood. I tried 3 times and every time the nurse would say, "Eat more meat or take these iron tablets." As I got older, my body's metabolism rate started to slowly decrease. Last year, I panicked and got myself a personal trainer. I exercised in the gym for an hour every day for 3 months. Instead of losing weight, I gained a few more pounds. Turns out, the more I exercised, the more I ate. Something had to change. We're always growing, and I'm always searching for a healthier way to live. To be fair, I would easily choose a vegan or a vegetarian diet over the standard American diet. I'm open-minded to better ways of living. Whenever I think keto initially, I think of this kind of food right here. But trust me, the dirty keto living is not the way, and I will share more recipes that are way better than this in the future. To date, my husband and I have lost a total of 50 pounds in 8 months, and we did it with 0 exercise. I'm finally at the size where I can start exercising again. Will we stay forever in the ketogenic diet? Probably not. We love bread and rice too much. But we are definitely more wary of the food we consume, and that is something that we will take with us for the rest of our lives. I really do think that the food we eat is more important than exercise, and especially if one is at a size where it's really difficult to work out, losing weight first through food might be the only way out. If you randomly came across this video and you're starting on a new and improved lifestyle, I wish you good luck and success. Do comment below and share your progress or goals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this mini story of mine, please like this video and subscribe. Till next time!